In today's video, I'm going to use this 550-pound appliance dolly. I bought this in the summer of 2021 at Princess Auto in Canada. I paid $60 and it was 50% off. So normally a $120 item. This is not a sponsored video. This is just the dolly that I bought. First thing we want to do is release this strap so that we can wrap it around whatever the load is going to be, which for the purposes of this video is going to be that old dryer that's in behind there. You see how this pin moves? That's what tightens it up when we put the strap in. I have my straps laid across the appliance just so they don't get caught in there. Then you want to get your dolly underneath so that it's tight up against the dolly. Then lay your straps out approximately around the load before we snap it around whatever it is that you are going to move. And now we'll put our strap in place. Trying to make sure that this is coming out properly on the camera here. So you just take all your slack through there. This back through here, and we'll tighten that up. Get that in place, pull that really tight. Now to really snug that up, take it around here. Oops. See, that's really tight. This dryer isn't all that heavy, but still, it's amazing how light. This type of dolly will make something as opposed to a smaller dolly. And I release the handle. And the strap. And I'll just wrap that around the dolly like it was in the first place. Anyways, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.